little pond now. Say hi, Raven. You say hi? Good girl. Let's see what Moose is doing. Say hi, Moose. Good boy. Oh, it's made its way to Vermont. We're supposed to have rain all day today. This is the lightest it's been so far. It was pouring a little while ago. Yeah, Raven. Good girl. You smiling? You're a good boy, Moose. Man, you're a good girl. Yeah. Yeah. This is their favorite spot, getting up on the wood box. You get a good view from up there, don't you? Look at Moose. He's like, I don't want to go out in the rain. Hey, Avi. Thanks for stopping by. Say hi, Raven. Good girl. Say hi, Moose. You're being a lazy boy, aren't you? Uh-oh, here she comes. Moose stole your spot, Raven. She's got the toy. You got the rope? Yeah. We're staying dry up on the porch. It's been really rainy today. This is actually the nicest it's been. Kind of looks like the sun might poke out for a minute. You guys playing? Moose has her tail. What are you doing? Thanks for the love. I see flying hearts. Thanks for the likes, everybody. We got another thumbs up, puppies.